What's up, guys? This week on Cool Tool Tuesday, we have a pretty awesome cool tool for you guys. It's the SR Tools pneumatic wind-back tool. This tool is going to save you guys a lot of time, a lot of trouble, and make your job much more productive. So you guys come take a look and we'll show you how awesome this thing really is. Alright guys, here is the part number. It's a ST9020 kit by SR Tools. There'll be a link down below in the description for this off of Amazon if you guys are interested in it. And here's what comes in the kit. All kind of adapters. And here is the main tool itself that you're going to use. So let's go take a look and we'll show you guys how awesome this tool is. Alright guys, here's the tool, like I say. And the way this works, this thing actually applies the pressure on the wind back tool itself. You still have to turn it with a handle here. Wally's going to show you how cool it is. So let's get to it.
All right, let's grab the gun, and we need the main adapter. It actually has a hex to fit on the end of the gun here.
That's actually a square.
Yeah.
Wally's parents didn't buy him that little toy as a kid, you know, where you put the blocks in there.
Whoops! But this vehicle calls for the number 4. It actually fits right off into the piston. And this right here has a little magnet on it to hold it in place. All right. Put air to my gun. Wind this caliper back.
And on these, the brake pads have a pin that's made on them, so you have to line it up with that. Wally will show you how to do that in just a second too.
All right. Apply pressure and then spin.
Is it better than the cube, Wally?
Oh God, yes. That's the cube of death to me. Knuckle buster. It works in a pinch, but if you do it professionally, this is the way to do it. Look at that. What, less than 2 minutes to add her back in. And release the pressure. Well, hang on. Let's line it up. Where's the brake shoe at? This brake shoe actually has a little notch there, and this right here will go on the inside. And if you pay attention, you can see the notch right there. We want to line it up straight up and down. So now our brake shoe will fit in there just right. Release the pressure.
And if you guys haven't done these before, you can see Ford actually puts an arrow showing you which way to turn your wind, to wind it back. So that way you don't be turning it the wrong way. That sucks, right, Wally?
Yeah, that'd be my luck. Spin her backwards.
See, Wally didn't even pay attention to that. His parents didn't buy him them cool toys like everybody else had as a kid. He got a screwdriver and a hammer for Christmas.
I was lucky to have the screwdriver and hammer.
There you go.
More like a pry bar.
Like always, guys, check the links down below if you'd like to be getting you one of these cool pneumatic wind-back tools. It's going to be an Amazon link down in the description. Check out the other links down there. There's also some discount codes for some goodies that we got. Save you guys some money. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there, because why, Wally?
Because it's totally free. Should never cost you a dime.
What's it cost them, Bill?
$3,000.
$3,000. What I got to do now, Wally?
Get back to work.